Good morning friends and welcome to the pre-market view. Friends, US markets had a good session on Monday, but yesterday was a bit of a lackluster session for them, and European markets have been mixed for the past 2 days as the entire focus is now on the timing of the bailout for Spain and what could be the route that they would prefer to go for this bailout, though officially we haven't heard anything about the bailout from the Spain government as such. In terms of the Asian markets, friends, today some of the markets like China and Korea are shut, but Hang Seng is showing a gain of 0.6% and the Japanese markets are flat. Also friends, SGX Nifty is suggesting that we are going to open somewhere around 5773 as far as Nifty futures are concerned, and yesterday or day before yesterday when we closed, the Nifty closed somewhere around 5750. So basically we are going to show a gain of about 12 to 15 points as is suggested by the SGX Nifty. In terms of flows, friends, the FIIs were net buyers to the tune of about 235 odd crore, whereas the domestic institutions were sellers to the tune of 474 crore. Overall, we have been doing pretty well even this month, as some of the economic data points, particularly the current account deficit and the trade surplus numbers that have come in, have definitely been positive, and which is reflected in the way the currency has shown appreciation versus dollars. So overall, though globally things have not been looking that great, we are seeing some kind of a resilience for our markets, and if the flows continue over the next few days, then probably we could see some good strong gains, particularly in the beaten down sectors and the mid caps space broadly. Friends, talking about the companies in the news today, there are a lot of steps being taken to promote the life insurance business as indicated by the FM, and some of the steps which are being taken are that there is going to be additional tax rebate for some of the products, and that could be a big positive. Also, there is a move to reduce the service tax burden on some of the products, and there is a move to have a faster clearance for some of the products. So these are the steps which are going to have a positive effect on the key insurance companies like Max India, Aditya Birla Nuvo, on Reliance Capital. So one could look at going long on some of these companies in today's market. Friends, GAIL has entered into a contract with a Russian firm to supply 2.5 million tons of gas per annum commencing from 2018-19. So one can go long on GAIL with a stop loss of 378 and a target of about 397 to 404. Friends, Hero Honda Motors announced its monthly numbers, and there was a decline of almost 26%, and it reported a number of about 4,04,000. At the same time, Honda Motors, which has launched its own products in the market, has done extremely well, and they have registered a growth of 31%, and also they are looking at introducing more products in the smaller CC category around 100 to 120, where Hero Honda Motors has a edge or market share. So there is going to be pressure on Hero Honda Motors going forward also. So one can look at going short there with a stop loss of 1917 and a target of about 1822 to 1783. Friends, Reliance Industries Board has put investments in India's oil and gas assets on hold, as the government is not decontrolling the gas prices and the expenditure plans. So this is a bit of a negative in the short run for Reliance Industries. One can go short on Reliance with a stop loss of 851 and a target of about 808 to 791. And Tata Motors also reported its number for the month of September, where the number was lower by 4% at 75,733 vehicles, and also the company has cut the prices of its model of Indica by almost 23,000 rupees. We have seen the Tata Motors stock run up quite sharply in the past few days. So on the back of this negative development, one could really short it with a stop loss of 281 and a target of about 266 to 261. That's it from all of us, friends. Have a nice trading session. See you tomorrow morning.